Ireland also needed a bailout in 2008. The real estate market was crushed. It was one of Europe's hardest hit as prices dropped more than 60%. 5 years later, there's some improvement. Lourda Sexton reports from Ireland.
Ireland's real estate market took a big hit in recent years, with prices falling by 65% in the overall housing market. But for the first time, the market is showing some signs of stabilising. According to the Irish Central Statistics Office, residential prices rose in June for the first time in 12 months by 1.2%. Analysts say the increase is much bigger in certain parts of Dublin.
I think 1.2% is the general stat, but in reality, in certain areas of the city, prices have probably bounced back maybe 10 to 15%.
Another sign of confidence in the Irish real estate market is the launch of Ireland's first property real estate investment trust, or REIT, in July. The new trust raised €310 million, or around $411 million US, 30% more than expected. Interest from international investors is at an all-time high. According to global commercial real estate and investment firm Jones Lang LaSalle, investors poured more than $1.3 billion into the Irish property market in the first 7 months of 2013. Most of that, nearly $1 billion of it, came from overseas investors lured by Ireland's low corporate tax rates.
The one question that they all ask, which is quite interesting, is will you keep the corporate tax rate? Because property markets depend on occupiers for their strength.
Domestic demand for residential family housing is a key factor in driving house prices back up. Yet the outlook for bank financing remains still quite poor.
And people, I suppose, frustrated they can't get a mortgage. They want to buy rather than rent, and they're optimistic about growth prospects. That's helping sentiment too. So it's a flattening off with a few challenges still to go.
The overall outlook for the Irish real estate market seems positive, but analysts here are saying that despite the strong international interest and growing demand, the prices here will not see any increase until the bank funding situation improves. Lourda Sexton, CCTV, Dublin.